Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys Zivame haul. So all these are basically a top with a short set. So it's basically a combo set of top and a short. So entire haul is basically a top with a short. And this thing, the shorts are feeling really comfortable. And I think nightwear is something which you should wear, which feels comfortable for you, right? So I just shopped like 4 sets, so I'll be like sharing with you guys, so keep on watching this video till the end. So all these sets are under rupees 1000, and if you want to buy for yourself or if you want to like gift to your friends or any relatives, make sure you watch this video. And I think for under rupees 1000 it's super affordable and the fabric is super soft and it's a top-notch fabric. I really love the fabric in the Zivame website. And so I shopped like extra large size. So basically if you are large, then you can go with a size larger, and if you are wearing like short, then you can go with a size larger, which is basically medium. And I think for nightwear you should be like feeling really extra comfortable, it should fit you loose, and that's the reason I go with a size larger. So all these are in the size extra large. So yeah, the first one we have is this gray short set. This is basically the top, and this is what it looks. It's super good fabric. It's a really soft material. It feels like a makmal cloth, but it's not a makmal cloth, but when you wear it feels like super soft. The fabric is really comfortable, and this is what it looks from front and back. Super comfortable, and I went with like a basic plain color, so there is no prints and all. It just you have a small print right here. Super good, super comfortable, and it comes with a short, and this is what the short looks like. It's super loose fitting. I really love it. Super breathable to wear, and it has like a string right here to adjust. And yeah, you have this light gray border with this band. Really love, super comfortable, super good, and it's costed me rupees 990, and it's in the size extra large. And the next set we have is a maroon short set. So it's with the top and a short, and this is what it looks. It has like a 3 buttons which feels super comfortable, and it has like a basic short sleeves with a round neck. Super good, and I really love the color as well. And this costed me only rupees 650, and again it comes with a short, and this is what the short looks like. So yeah, this is what the short looks like. It has a very good print all over the short with a string to adjust yourself. Really love the color, really love the print. So this nightwear are really good to wear, and it's really good for work from home. It feels super comfortable to wear, and the quality is really good. It's super soft, super good. Just love the material and the color, and the print is really good, right? And the quality is really good, and when you wear this it looks super appealing than what you see. So this looks really good when you wear, and it's a really good stuff. And Zivame has a very good return policy, 15 days return policy, and also you get the delivery in just 3 to 4 days, which is fab. I recommend buying nightwear sets from Zivame because Zivame does the job when it comes to night. And the third set we have is a pastel yellow and a blue top set, and this is what it looks. It's a super comfortable top. I really love the color. It's a super light blue color, and this is what it looks. And this costed me only rupees 450, and I think for 450 it's super good. With a top and a short, 450 is really affordable. And these tops are really good to lay around on the couch and have your popcorns, and it's really good for work from home as well. So these are really good. The fabric is really soft, and it comes with a yellow short, and this is what it looks. Really vibrant. Yellow color is a vibrant color, and these days I've been loving yellow color. And yeah, this is what it looks. It's a super good quality with a good elastic. And yeah, this super soft fabric makes you feel really comfortable, and when you're relaxing at your home, these are the best thing to wear. This shorts are the best thing to wear. The last set we have is this pink top. So this is what it looks. It has this unicorn print, and I really love this color. It's a super good dark pink, and also I think you can wear this with your jeans for normal shopping and all. So it's a really good material. It's super soft, and this costed me around 650, and all these are under rupees 1000. And this is again an extra large size, but I think it feels a very good fitting, and it doesn't really have a loose fit in this. I don't know, but all the things which I shown you before are little loose, and I feel really good as a nightwear. But this has like a very good fitting, so you can wear this with your jeans. So yeah, this is what it looks. So this has really a relaxed fit, and it's a cotton fabric. And when it comes to the shorts, and I don't know how to explain it, it's super soft. It's like a makmal cloth, super soft, and the elastic is super good. And this is what the short looks like, and I'm really loving the material when it comes to Zivame. I really love this, and also these are super affordable. I really love the quality as well. And yeah, I'll be giving the link down in the description box if you want to shop for yourself or if you want to gift. Really check the description box. So yeah, this is the end of this video, and I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.